Good morning to all. This is for class 5th maths. Class 5th. Today we are going to start from exercise first day question number 17. So first question is 17th A. Which number is this much more than this much? So in this question what we have to do, we have to add both the numbers and we will get our answer. See, in this way we will add both the numbers and we will get our answer. Now our second question, by how much is this number greater than the sum of this and this? So in this, sum means plus. So in this we have to do both the number plus. And what we will get the answer, we will subtract that from this number. Like this. First we will add both the numbers. The answer which we will got, we will subtract it from the first number. And we will get our final answer. This is the solution of question number 2. Now see, a building has 15 floors, each floor has 9 flats, each flat has 4 rooms. So how many rooms are there in the building? So in this first we will calculate the number of flats. Number of flats will be 15 into 9, that is 135. Then number of rooms. So number of rooms will be number of flat into each flat has 4 rooms. So we will multiply it by 4. So 135 into 4 we will get 540. So these are the number of rooms. This is your answer. Now D, the product of two number is this much. If one of them is 560, find the other. So in this product is given, product means multiply. So in language question we will do this divide. So we will divide both the numbers and we will get our final answer. In this way, we will divide both the numbers and 98 will come, then we will say other number is 98. This is our answer. Now coming on to E part, find the number which when divided by 29 give 40 as quotient and 12 as remainder. So in this E part we have to learn a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By writing this formula, then we will put the values. Divisor is given 29, quotient is given 40 and remainder is given 12. So by putting the value, we will calculate this and we will get our final answer. Now F, find the smallest 5-digit number that is divisible by 35. So we know 5-digit smallest number is 99999. But the condition is given that it should be divisible by 35. So we will divide that number by 35 in this way. After dividing this number by 35, we will get the remainder 4. So we will subtract this remainder from the given digit. So our smallest 5-digit number will be 99,995. This will be our answer. Now G part. Ravi want a computer that costs rupees 31,200. He can take it home by paying rupees 6,000 and pay the rest in 12 equal monthly payment. How much will he have to pay each month? So he buy a computer which cost 31,200 and he already pays 6,000 for this. So we will subtract first of all we will subtract 31,200 by 6,000. So we will get the answer. Then this he has to pay in 12 months. So 12 months he is paying equally. So we will divide this number by 12 in this way and then we will get our final answer. So each monthly income that Ravi has to pay is 2,100. Now coming on to exercise first B. In this first one is fill in. So first one 1/3 of 18. That means we have to multiply 1/3 by 18. So in 3 table 18 is coming 6 times. So it is the answer. That is the answer is 6. Like this you have to solve this. See, in table of 4, 60 is coming 15 times. So it will cut by 15. Then 15 into 3. 15 3s are 45. So the answer will be 45. Like this you have to do the third part also. Then in B, 14/9 is a improper fraction. And 7 whole 3/5 is a mixed fraction. Then C, in 9 whole 2/5, the integral part is 9. This is the integral part and this is the fractional part. So the fractional part is 2/5. Then among this, the like fractions are those fractions whose denominator are same. So see 5/12, 11/12 and 7/12. These are the like fractions. Then in E part, how you have to solve? You have to see in 3 table how many times 15 is coming. Then it is coming in 5 times. So you will multiply 5 by 2. 5 into 2, 10. This is your answer. Like this you have to solve. Then in F, whether these are equivalent or not, you have to say this. So this is true. This is equivalent. Then in G part, this also you have to show whether 5/9 is equal to 30/54. So, and this is also true. Now you have to do H part in lowest term. Lowest term means you have to reduce this until it can be reduced, but you have to reduce this with the same table. Denominator and numerator will be reduced by the same table. So after reducing you will get 2/3. Similarly, if you will reduce 75/100, then you will get 3/4. Then I1 is place value. This you have to do by your own. You all know how to fill the place values. Then J1 is expanded form. This also you know. So do it by your own. Then K, 280 rupees 75 paise will be how much rupees? So 280.75 rupees. Now coming on to second. 14/5 you have to change in mixed fraction. How you will change this in mixed fraction? By dividing. See, in this way you will divide it, then you will get the remainder 4. Then how you will write? This 2 will come in whole place and 4/5. This will be converted into mixed fraction. This is how you have to convert. So second part you can do by your own. Now coming on to B. This you have to change in improper fraction. So how you will change? You have to multiply 8 by 5. 8 into 5, 40. 40 plus 3, 43. So the answer will be 43/8. Similarly, you can do the second part also. Now coming on to C part. This you have to change into like fractions. How you will change in like fractions? See, the denominator of first number will be multiplied by second fraction, and the denominator of second number will be multiplied by first fraction. So in first fraction the denominator is 5, so you will multiply this both number by 5 like this. And here the denominator is 7, so you will multiply first fraction by 7 here like this both sides. Then after multiplying you will get 21/35, and after multiplying this you will get 20/35. See, the denominator are same, so we can say these are the like fractions. In this way we have to change. This is your answer. Now D part, this you have to change into decimal fraction. So in decimal how you will change? You will see the 0 here in denominator. How many 0 are there? 3 zeros. So before 3 you will put a point. But here the number is only 2. So 1 0 you have to add by your own. So the answer will be 0.029. before 3 digits the point will come. Like this you have to change. Now these are greater than and less than. You can do it by your own. Then fifth question, ascending descending order. This also you can do. You all know how to write ascending and descending order. Then seventh, find this. If the number are given in fraction, then if you have to do plus and minus, then you have to always take the LCM. Like this. The fraction are given. Seventh B part I am solving here. Understand this. Then remaining part you can do by your own. So 4 upon 9 minus 1 upon 3. So the LCM of these denominators will be 9. After taking the LCM, we have to divide this. In 9 table, how many times 9 is coming? 1 time. Then you will write here 1. Then multiply the denominator, that is 4. Then minus, in 3 table, how many times 9 is coming? 3 times. 3. Then multiply the numerator. Then 4 into 1, 4, minus 3 into 1, 3. Then denominator will be written as such. Then 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and upon 9. This is your answer. So this is how you have to solve when the plus and minus are given in fractions. Now coming on to next question 8. 3 upon 7 of a bottle is full. What fraction of the bottle is empty? So see, the bottle is 1 only. So you will subtract this from 1. So put here denominator 1 and you will take the LCM, and similarly you will count in one table how many times 7 is coming. It is coming 7 times. Then you will write here 7. Then multiplying the denominator. Then minus, then in 7 times how many times 7 is coming? 1 time. Then you will write here 1 and multiply the numerator. Then 7 into 7, 7 into 1, 7, minus 1 into 3, 3 upon 7. Then 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 upon 7. So this is your answer. Now coming on to B part, 2 upon 7 of the flowers in a vase are red, 3 upon 7 of them are white and the rest are yellow. If the vase has 21 flowers, how many are yellow? So we will add here red and white flowers. After adding, we will subtract it from the total flowers. So now, like this, you will add the number of flowers that are red and yellow in this way. Then after adding this, you will get 5 upon 7. Then you will subtract this from the total number of flowers, that is 21. So after solving this, we will get the answer 142 upon 7. So this will be your final answer. Now next, C part. If the dozen, that means 12 plates cost rupees 480, then what will be the cost of 7 plates? So this question is done like this, that 12 plates cost rupees 480. Then for 1 plate, you all know we have to divide. So we will divide this for 1 plate. Then the question is asking for 7 plate. 7 is more. If you need to find out the more number of plate, then you have to multiply. So we will multiply this by 7. And after solving this, you will get 280 as answer. Now coming on to next exercise first C. First one is fill in the blanks. 10 mm is equal to dash centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. This is a relation. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So you have to learn these relations. Then you can easily fill this one. See, second one, 100 centimeter is equal to how much meter? It is 1 meter. Like this. Then 10 kilometer is equal to dash into 1000 meter. So here also 10 will come. Now next, D part, 2 kilogram is equal to how much gram? So you know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kilogram will be 2000 gram. So like this, with the help of the relations, you have to fill all these blanks. Now coming on to second one. Second A, 6 hour 20 minute change into minute. So how you will do this? See, first of all you should know the relation that 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. Then this one is in hour. So you will change this in minute. So 6 into 60 is equal to 360 minutes will come. Now it is converted into minute, and this 20 is also minutes. So both the minutes will be added like this. And after adding this, what you will get will be your final answer. Okay, now see D part. It is 470 second. You have to change into minute and second. If 1 unit is given and you have to change into 2 units, then at that question you have to divide. So like this. Again, first relation you will write that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then you will divide the given number by 60. Then you will get remainder 50. Now what you will get here will be your first unit, and first unit was minute. So 7 minutes. Then what you will get, the remainder will always be the second unit. And second unit was second. So 50 seconds. So this is your answer. This is how you have to solve. So the remaining part of second question are similar. So you can do it by your own. Then third one is true false. Again, this is with the help of unit only you can mark whether it is true or false. So this you have to do by your own. Then if do these sums. Fourth question. These are simple plus. Nothing extra you have to do. Just you have to arrange this in column and add simply. Then sixth, this is also fifth question. This is also addition. So simple addition is there. You can do it by your own. Then sixth, this is simple subtraction. Only arrange in column and subtract these. Then seventh is simple multiplication. This is also you can do by your own. And eighth one is simple divide. See, these are simple divide. See, this is how you have to solve. The D part I am doing here. 486 and 600 you have to divide by 12. Then in this way you have to divide. 12 4s are 48. Then 480 will come here. 12 40s out. Then after subtracting you will get 6. Then this 6 will come, and 12 5s are 60. Then again after subtracting 6 will come as remainder. Then again you will put here 1 0, and 12 5s are 60. Then 1 0 is remaining. This 0 will simply written in answer. So your final answer will be 40 kg and 600 gram. This will be your answer. In this way you have to divide. So now your exercise first C is over. From first D I will explain in next video.